This is the feature-packed, matter-enabled hub from SwitchBot with built-in temperature and humidity sensors, and an IR blaster. It comes with everything you need for a quick setup and installation. The temperature and humidity sensor is built right into the charging cable. Connect the hub to Apple HomeKit using the QR code found in the SwitchBot app. Then, from the SwitchBot app, select which SwitchBot devices you want to control through Apple's HomeKit. It really is that simple. The large display shows the current humidity and temperature of the room. The hub is also an infrared blaster. It will learn infrared remote controls and add them to the SwitchBot. I've added my LG TV and fan. For more information or to get yours, follow the link in my profile to SwitchBot.